He shock you.
Here is where we take partial profit, and we're going to reduce this to 2 and click on partial profits, and that is it. So we just took partial profit. Okay, so we did our analysis very well. So we could see there's a downtrend here, and looking at the charts, we could see our inducement right here. So we marked it out. Yes, and if you look above it, we could see our zone. Yeah, so we're going to name it the supply zone. Yep, so we're good to go. So we know exactly where to wait for price to come back to. So as you can see our entry there. You can see the stop loss above it, and we are looking to take profit below it, the green part of it. So we're going to set our trade, and we're using just 1% of our account capital. We know anything can happen, and remember, the goal of trading first is to survive. So we've placed our trade. Second goal is to grow gradually, and third goal is to make high profits. So we have placed our trade, and we are waiting for price to come to our entry. Yes, here, as you can see, price came to our entry, just pick it up and reversed in our direction. As you can see, we are already in profit. Now this is a demo account, and if this were to be a real account, this is good money, good profit. So there you have it. This is how we make profit. You can see it on a lower time frame. You can see the entry right there, right at our entry point, and the price reversed in our favor. Let's go to 50 minutes time frame, as you can see there. So that's good profit, and we are just about halfway. So you can see there we still have about 2 other trades running, all in profit. This is the trade we are looking at here, USD JPY. Good profit. So remember, you can join our Telegram channel for guide and trade signals. Link in the description below, so check it out. So to take partial profit on this trade, we just click open chart. Okay, let's look at the charts. Let's see how much are we looking to go, and how much more profit can we make. So already we're in good profit, so we're just going to take some profits right here, because you can never go wrong taking profit. So that is exactly what we did. So we took partial profits right here. Ensure you join the right Telegram channel. The admin is at InvestorK23. Okay, good. So as you can see, the account balance there, good profit. So that is how we do it. Remember, you can get guide in our free Telegram channel. Head over, link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.